Ugh. Hey guys, holy fudge, I'm wet, so I'm.
Nope, my sentence wasn't going to make that sound any better. I was going to say we're wet.
So, I'm freezing. Um, but we're at the mall, so we are going to go in to Waddle today. I want to make. Well, no. Realistically, Eli will be doing the cooking, but I want to make a lazy spaghetti for dinner because it's a cold, gross day. And spaghetti sounds
Sounds yummy.
good. So that's the plan. So let's do this thing. Oh, thank you. Sorry.
You're welcome. It's all right.
So,
Sorry if that was loud.
also sorry for the sniffling.
Yep.
That was disappointing. That was a big lead up. It felt like it was going to be a really big sneeze. Bless you, baby.
Thank you.
So, I don't know how long today's video will be. And it will. Thank you. It will also most likely be a one picker. Also, don't ask why I left my lip like that. I don't know. Actually, I had an itch. I don't know how I thought my tongue was going to
Satisfy your itch.
see if it'll pick up the blueness on that finger.
I see something.
Also, I have a tiny cut on my thumb. We don't know where it came from. It's definitely not technically big enough to need a Band-Aid, but it is an open wound. And because I at least try to help Eli with pushing me, and I'm touching my push rims, which touch the ground and the grass and stuff, so as to not risk getting dog excrement into it. I've covered it. I'm not doing it on YouTube.
That's fine. Just letting you know. Yep. Totally a real circus dog.
Yep. And all the times we've worked my dog in public. Heck, even when I was training Muffin, in case we ended up not finding a home I felt comfortable releasing her to, how many times did I have to correct either dog from greeting somebody when we were out in public? Like in a...
None. Want some food?
Oh, croissants and wet ones. Perfect match. Yeah. I want to try the butter chicken from here one day.
So
'Cause
so does our kid.
it always smells delicious.
But it's like $14.
Uh,
And I don't think that's including that.
oh,
I mean, you want to blog about.
I know.
I can't tell. Will you let me know when you watch this back if I said blog or block?
Okay. I'll make sure it pops up on the screen for you.
Hey, we're
I
almost
almost
to the
want to let
elevator.
them know there's a vested fake service dog. But I think she's leaving, so we'll
Yeah.
let it go. I couldn't tell because I saw the gear first,
Mm-hmm.
so I didn't focus on the dog, so I couldn't tell if it came up, like tried to come up friendly, if that's why she corrected, or if it was a non-friendly dog
Yeah.
and it reacted. Because if it's friendly, she could possibly be turning it. Not gonna knock somebody for a dog failing when it's training. Crap happens. Hell, even after Marley was fully certified, if we ran into my mom at the mall, I would have to correct Marley. But, I mean, that was her grandma who lived with us, and she was also trained to alert grandma to the door because my mom was partially deaf. So she could hear the pitch of the dog bark, but she couldn't always hear the. So that's one of the reasons Marley gets reactive to sounds in the hallway. It was crazy easy to train her to react to knocking at the door, but it's not as easy to untrain. What's the time?
7:49.
Okay, guys, oh my goodness. It's gonna be a short video today. I have to sit. The rain is making my back really tight, and I'm finding
You
it.
gonna sit right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm finding it a little bit complicated to walk and breathe and hold. My wrist is still not better. Don't yell at me. I don't feel like it's bad enough to go to the hospital. I know I just recently told you guys the story of me not thinking it was bad enough to go to the hospital when it was broken in 2 places. But I don't think this is like that. I think I just irritated the inoperable cyst. And so it's just a matter of waiting for it to relax. But, oh, there we go.
Oh, there we go. Here's the blue.
Not so much on this hand today. But yeah. There,
Look at that
see?
pinky.
I looked at.
Yep.
And it gets darker literally before I ended up on the chair. In the chair, we'd get on the bus and I'd go to reach for the pole without gloves. And people would see that, and then we'd have a whole row of seats to ourselves because nobody wanted to sit near me because, I don't know, maybe I have Smurf disease. But anyways, I think I forgot to state at the beginning, but welcome and welcome back. This was day 99. We love you all so much. We're going to pop in there. You can go to the store. And grab some pasta noodles, some ground beef, and probably just a jar of sauce because it's cold and I just want a lazy spaghetti. And maybe some like peppers and all the normal spaghetti crap, but whatever. You get the point. Thank you for being here. Thank you for your ongoing support. Oh my God, it was horrible. I am so incredibly grateful for each and every one of you. And I look forward to seeing you tomorrow for day 100. How did that happen?
I don't know, honey. Time flies.
Like, oh, wow. Jesus. I don't know what we'll do for tomorrow. Probably some kind of, unless we have somewhere to be tomorrow, it will probably be some kind of sit down video. I'll have to think it through tonight to do something special because I mean, it's day 100. I've been doing this for 100 days. Anyways, I love you all so much. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. And I look forward to seeing you tomorrow for day 100. And I'm sending you blue kisses.